Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the CutOut tutorial in CapCut PC. So the CutOut feature in CapCut PC can be used if you want to cut out a certain percent, usually on objects in a video. Here I'm going to show you how. So first you can click on the video and go to the remove background at the top. So CutOut can be found in here. There are three options: the auto removal or auto cutout, the custom removal, and also the chroma key. So let's first use the auto removal, but please be note that this feature can only be applied to a human figure. So let's check this box, and now it will processing, and after some time the background of the video will be removed and the person will be cut out. So if you want to add stroke, you can just choose in here. You can add an outline into the object that you cut out. For example, I'm going to add the straight stroke like this. You can adjust the color and also the size. So now the person will look like this. Okay, so that's the first options. Or the second option, so you can also create a clone effect by using the cutout. You can copy and paste your video first, and then here just choose on one of the video and then use the auto cutout. Just apply a new cutout in here, and after that you can just drag the object in the video, and just like that there will be two objects in the video. So it looks like they are two. Okay, so that's the auto removal. So you can also use the custom removal. I usually use this if the object in the video is not a human figure, maybe like this, a flower, or maybe an object that is not a human. So you can also use chroma key. For example, in here I'm going to use the chroma key to add the subscribe button on my video. So let's drag it on top first, and you can see the chroma key like this. So you can use the chroma key to get rid of the green screen. So just drag the color picker into the green screen and adjust the intensity and also the shadow. And after that, the green screen will be gone and only the subscribe button visible in the video. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.